Well, guys, today's Saturday, Friday. It says it is negative 13 outside today. It's supposed to warm up later in the day, though. It's only supposed to be like negative 2. But Sunday, they're calling for plus 3-degree temperatures. And something's happening on Sunday, and I don't really want to spoil it, but it's a demolition derby. So I don't have any cars built, and I can't work on stuff tomorrow because it's Valentine's Day, so can't do anything on Valentine's Day. You got to spend that with the lady friends. But negative 13. Let's go take a look around my property and see what we can build. Oh. Steven's putting this vehicle on the road, so I can't take that. What about this caravan? Oh, it's got full interior. I don't really want to deal with that. Oh, what do we got over here? We got a Sienna that needs to be fully built. Don't want to deal with that. Hyundai, no motor. Jeep, no motor. Chevy, no doors. Caravan, sold. Camry, let's go take a look at this. Oh, we got a Rainer over there, but yeah, that thing's gonna take a while to build. I think this thing's like really, really clean. Oh, I remember this car. This one here's got a blown head gasket. This one here is... You know what? We're not even going to talk about that. So we have light build youth, bone stock, vans, and full size. So what do we got in here? We got a light build youth, except I'm not a youth anymore. I'm too damn old. I'm almost 40. These are both light builds in here, so those will not pass the rules. Well, what else do we got? There's got to be some other cars around here I can try to build. Something that's like close to being done. Let's take a look. We got a Subaru that has no engine in it. We got a Mazda 3. That's garbage. Oh my God, what do we got here? Oh, am I gonna actually derby this hunk of junk? It's a Corolla, and it's stripped. Okay. All right, I think we found our candidate. Let me turn this back. So let's talk about this Corolla. Here's the story on this 44 Corolla. Oh, what a long story this is gonna be. Okay, you ready for this super long story? I bought this car 4 years ago. I rented it to a guy, and he was going to derby it, and then he hurt his neck. And then he told me that the next year his neck would be better, and it wasn't. The next year his neck would be better, and it wasn't. And then this year he said he had to get the car off his property because his neck's still not better. So he asked me if I wanted it back. I said, sure. So then I went and got it. And then I posted it for sale for $400. Just to be clear, this car across the scales is like right now for me $365 to $370 for me across the scales right now. I couldn't get $400. I had people tell me they give me $400, but they want to wait until August. They can give me $400, but they want to pick it up on a Friday and run it Saturday. I'm not building this thing for them for $400, and I don't really want it here. I'm not a big fan of Corollas and Matrixes. I've actually never ran one. It's negative 13. I don't really want to do this. I've been feeling like super down and depressed lately because it's winter. Maybe I need to do this. Maybe I need to derby something to make myself feel better right now. Maybe this is what I need. But god damn it, I don't want to do this. So here's what we're gonna do. It's still got a windshield in it. I don't think it's got any door latches in it. I'm not sure why you would take out the door latches. I'm not too sure on that one, but we will have to tie these doors shut half decent. I guess first things first, gas tank, battery, does it start? Does it run, does it start? Because I don't know. And this thing was taken apart by somebody that's not me, so I don't really know. Step 1, battery. Step 2, gas tank. Step 3, maybe I'll change step 3 to step 1, and that's find motivation.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
We have, Steven's woken up, so hi Steven.
Hi.
We got the battery cables hooked up, we got the fuel lines hooked up, we found some grounds up here, we got those hooked up. We don't have injector pulse, we don't have coil packs spark pulse, we have power to the coil packs, we just don't have spark from them. So I think it's gone into security. We do not have power to the ring around the security key.
Is the ECU even turning on?
Let's try. Do you know which one the power is on this ECU?
At the top.
Well, it's sideways.
Check this one at the top. The colors aren't changed, so it'll be like a brown. Right?
There's black and red and
So it'll be red.
red. That red's a very small one. Okay, key on? Yeah.
Yeah, ECU's on.
Wait, try that. Okay.
You have power.
This one right here, I think, is all my injectors. Okay, try that. No.
It's in security.
Okay.
Straight up.
Well, I don't really want to deal with this, to be honest.
No. No.
And like, there's just so many cut
There might be
wires.
security in the fucking
Radio. I don't know
What
what.
is this?
I don't. Oh, it just sparked. I don't know what all that's for. But it just sparked.
Yeah.
He's got wires twisted. Like I just ripped that one out. Try that. Let me. The fuel pump's working.
You fucked it up, man. You got
Yeah.
a bunch of wires and they're sparking.
Okay. So, here's the breakdown on this car. I think it's trash.
It would actually be easier to just kick the windows out of something else.
I'm not that motivated.
No.
Here's what I think that we're going to do. I think we're going to scrap this. I think that the 2 hours I've invested, actually it's probably 3 hours now I've invested into this, is crap. So let's pull everything off of this and we're going to put it on the trailer and we're going to take a couple parts off to save for the Derby season this year, which is the rear tires. And that's about it. But we did try and still feel like crap. I thought maybe a Derby would fix it, but it just kind of made me feel even shittier. Thank you, Corolla. I knew I was missing something in my life. All right, let's tear it down and send her off to scrap, I guess.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life with the noose and in my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. I agree, but you did and I hate her. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 Hey man,
Well,
can
guys.
I get a favor? Yeah, sure, hot. No.
It's now almost 1 o'clock. And the temperature is... Wow, what a difference. Only -2 now. So after getting the gas line, the fuel line, turning it, getting power to everything, we have determined that it was in security mode. So, unfortunately, no demolition derby for me this weekend, which is a real shame. I was kind of looking forward to getting back in the ring. So I don't really want to save this thing to sell it to anybody. There's a little bit of fire underneath here. Just don't worry about that. It'll go out shortly. But maybe it's a good thing because this thing is like super rotted. The jack went through the floor, ripped off the towing lugs. But whatever. It's going to go get crushed. Kind of a shame. But if it cooperated, I would have smashed it, and it would have been my first Corolla / Matrix, but unfortunately, she didn't want to cooperate. So, as of right now, it looks like we're not going to the Derby this weekend. I could go to film, but honestly, I'm not going to drive an hour and 30 minutes from my house to sit in the cold to film, because it's not that fun if I'm not in the Derby. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.